What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got this, the McLaren F1 from the Leno's Garage Hot Wheels Premium set. Now I do not know how to feel about this car. This car doesn't have much to talk about. It's a quite plain vehicle, but it's a McLaren F1 and I think we should really talk about it. So this is car 2 of 5. There are 5 cars in the collection. We've got the Mercedes-Benz, the 300 SL, the F1, McLaren F1, which is what we're going to talk about today, the Lamborghini Countach, the Chevrolet Corvair Yenko Stinger, now, and obviously before that, and obviously the tank car. Now for this Corvair, I actually got I heard this is actually a very worth car collecting, but I could not find this in the wild. I have so far managed to find the Lamborghini and the McLaren F1. So we are going to do videos on this for today. The focus is the McLaren F1. So this is actually the first car I got from a Malaysian reseller, and it's all the way at Melaka. So I'm going to leave a link to his Instagram or to his account in the description below. So do check him out, do support him. He's been an amazing guy, and I got both the Leno collection from him, so the F1 and the Countach from his shop. Now we're going to dive right into the unboxing. So as you guys know, as usual, I'm going to do a slit. Reason being, I keep the card on and it goes into the wall, which I think just adds a lot of, makes my wall look really nice, and it also gives you the vibe. And yeah, all in all, I just like to put it up against the wall. So here we have the car in all of its glory. So if you guys notice, it actually comes with a little plastic protector right there to just protect the car, which is really nice to see. This flimsy plastic, I don't think it does much anyways, but here we have it, the McLaren F1, and right off the bat, it just feels amazing. You know, it doesn't look amazing, but it feels amazing. So we've got wheels. The wheels spin amazingly well. These are 5-spoke rims, 5-spoke grey rims with rubber tires, and yeah, that's it. I've got nothing more to say. I love these wheels, but that's about it. So there's this one red pinstripe that goes from the side. It's visible on both sides as well. So obviously these doors, they go up sideways like that, like bloop. And we've got a reflective like sticker right there, which is supposed to, I think, indicate the, you know, the reflective light that's on the right side of the, or that's on the side of the vehicle. And nothing much to talk about here. Obviously, it's a rear engine vehicle, and then you guys can see how close the rear tire is to the back of the car. And if you look at the front, here's where there is a bit of detail. So obviously we've got the McLaren logo right there, if you guys can see. The printed headlights, the details on the hood is amazing as well, and the air vents. And guys, this is called a McLaren F1. So obviously center mounted steering wheel right there, which is something you can see. I think it looks amazing, even on the new McLaren Senna, right? Is it McLaren Senna? No, sorry, the Speedtail. The McLaren Speedtail has a center mounted steering wheel as well, which is, I think, just out of this world. It's insane. It's amazing. Oh, it gives you the vibe of a Formula 1 car. And obviously this also has it, and I think it looks insanely amazing. And I'm just a huge fan of this sitting arrangement that this car has. If you look at the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same details. So obviously you got a red stripe right there. The 5-spoke wheels that spin amazingly well. The door, obviously doors don't open. It would have been nice to see doors opening parts. You know, I'm a huge fan of that. I think those OG subscribers, you guys know, I'm a huge fan of that. And yeah, if you look at the rear of the vehicle, not much details here as well. The quad exhaust, the grille, and that's about it. It says F1 over there. The headlights, the tail lights, to be more precise. And if you look at the rear over here, we can actually see the engine bay right below that, the 2 plastic pieces. It's a bit vague, you can't really see much, but there is something which I think just adds to it. You know, it adds a bit of suspense and awesomeness to the car. Base wise, there's absolutely nothing in this base. It's plain, which is disappointing, I must say. I expected at least something, you know, but there's nothing in this matte finish. It says McLaren F1 on top, then the Hot Wheels logo right smack in the middle. That's about it. Very disappointing base, I must say. I really expected more from this, especially, you know, it's Leno's, it's a Leno Garage set, and I expected more details. I expected it, but oh well. And I think I forgot to mention about the roof scoop situation right here, which I think looks ever so nice. And like, this car just has so much road presence, is what I feel, you know. This car, let me just get the fingerprint smudge off. Sorry about that. Yeah, just like I was saying, this car has just so much road presence. I think it's really amazing to have this in my collection, and I'm actually gonna go try to complete this entire set. But like you guys know, I'm gonna try to get it from different places, just to increase the fun of collecting. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I will be unboxing the Countach very soon, and as we go around to find the rest of the cars, we will unbox them, and I'll bring them all forward to you. But yeah, for this car, that's about it. I don't have much to talk about it. That's about all I can think of for this car. So we're gonna do a few rolling shots now, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It is going to go insanely, amazingly well in my collection. I am going to try to complete this whole set. So I've got 3 more cars down. Hopefully I'll find them soon. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I'll see you next round, and I'm out. Bye.